Hi there, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Cash App not working. I'm gonna show you a few methods that you can actually follow, so just keep watching. The first method that I'm gonna show you is to go to your app store on your device and search for Cash App and make sure that this app is up to date. If it's not, you will see an update option on there, so just need to click on it and that's it. Once it is updated, go back to the app and see if it's resolved. If not, you will need to go your device settings, go to general and then go to software update to make sure that your iPhone or your phone is up to date. If it is, then you can move to the next method, which is removing the Cash App from your device and reinstalling it again. Go to your app store and install it and see if it's resolved. If it's not, then you can move to the next method, which is double checking that your internet connection is working fine. If your internet connection is working fine, then the last thing that you can do is basically contacting the Cash App support team. You can do this through visiting their help center and trying to find the Contact Us section to see the available options for you. So from there, you can simply contact them and go from there.